What do you have to say, Henry? Wow.
Are you ready?
Extreme close-up. Your brother's being silly. You're just talking up. Oh, what's that mean? Hey, Nathaniel. Nathaniel's being silly. Are you gonna talk some more for the camera? Huh? Oh, what's that look for, Henry? You gonna eat Mama's fingers? Oh yeah? Oh, you wink. One again. One again. I see that. I see that little wink. Oh my goodness. You put your finger in here, you could get eaten. I'd bite your finger.